Hey, good morning. Jason here. Total Restoration. We are down here live at Loogootee Methodist Church in Loogootee, Indiana. I'm just bringing a little short clip on our crews here, hard at work, and having the right contractor for the right job. First of all, our day started out here with a quick safety meeting and setup plan, which you can see all of our trucks here in the back corner. We started over on that end on tearing this roof off. We got that off in about an hour, and we're moving our way down the building here, as you can see. We have roughly 14 guys out here. You're making sure that we're protecting all of our ground. Safety guy on site, making sure that the church can still utilize their main entrance here. Got our harnesses on for safety.